guys, it's me Tenor. I'm not used to type my bubble map, so I'm just talking with my regular voice. Well, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing Handcuffs to my ex challenge. I don't think that my boyfriend would like it, but I'm gonna have to get mad. Tomorrow, I'm handcuffed to my ex for 24 hours. Yay, thank you very much. Coming. Jeez. No, because we're doing handcuff to for 24 hours, and I will never fall in love with you, because I'm in love with someone else, so back off. What did you say about me? Good, it better be nothing or else. Let's get some boba. Hey, Oxy. Hey, Oxy, can you take us to boba? Yes, ma'am. Oh, I love this car. It's so fast. Oh look, we're almost there. Get a delicious as I asked for. I'm so sorry guys for being short. No fun intro today. Well, I hope you subscribe and like the video. Love you guys. And comment.